Welcome and thank you for joining me. I'm Steve Brooks, a Florida wrongful death and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of Florida. Today's video tip is about Social Security disability and at what point do you hire an attorney if you have a Social Security disability claim. I get asked when I'm out in the community many times by Social Security disability claimants, when do I come hire you? I've got a Social Security disability claim. At what point do I come to your law firm? And what I tell them is the sooner the better. Let me tell you why. Most people who are applying for Social Security disability have lost a job and their income is drastically diminished. They have significant either injuries or some type of disease process that prevents them from working. When you combine those two things together, you often find people who are in financial disarray and emotional disarray. With Social Security disability cases, if you don't meet deadlines, then you're going to stop the process and have to start it all over again. The main thing an attorney can do for you initially is to make sure all the deadlines are met so you keep the process going. Social Security disability claims can take a long time. They can take up to 2 years sometimes. So you do not want to stop that process. You want to keep the ball rolling because it already takes too long. Normally we get involved after the first denial. The first denial is normally what I call a bureaucratic denial. Some bureaucrat looks at the case and denies it, and quite honestly the vast majority of initial claims are denied. But we are more than happy to represent and help anybody in a Social Security disability claim from day one, even to help you file the application. Why do I tell you this? I tell you this because we handle these claims all day long. We have a section of our law firm that's dedicated to doing nothing but Social Security disability claims. If you or a loved one has a Social Security disability claim, I urge you to pick up the phone and give us a call at 1-888-936-3264. That's 1-888-WE-MEAN-IT. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Steve Brooks. Thank you.